Okay, so now you can see my screen. Okay, thank you for confirmation. So first of all, we will start from the major pair Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, Bitcoin, and some minor other pairs like Bank Nifty and NAS 100. And after that, we will start some quick question answer. So first of all, start from the Euro USD. So let's see into higher time frame what happening here into daily time frame picture. So in a daily time frame picture, we can see market momentum is a bearish and continue pushing downside. And what we can expect into next upcoming days and upcoming week. So right now, as we mentioned in the past webinar, that market momentum is currently bearish and creating lower lows. And this is our lower low and lower high structure like this. Correct. So this was our structure. And first break of structure was here. And after that, this was another break of structure. And this is another break of structure. Right now, we can see market momentum is a completely bearish and pushing to the downside. And now we can see this order block taken out the previous candle high, which act like a liquidity. So market taken out the liquidity, and this order block is a more high probability. And you can say this is a like IFC candle, which act like here, right? So right now we can see market tap here, and I already mentioned here in a past webinar that when market tap and on this level, then we can see into downside move. So market tap here, and now price looking for the sell into downside, and market keep a momentum to the downside, and now trying to go higher to fill this imbalance. This is our minor imbalance, which one is here, right? So once market fill this imbalance, actually, if you can see the last buying candle before the drop is here, this last bullish candle is here, correct? So in this case, this is our highest candle, then market push downside. So we don't need to fill this imbalance, correct? And price simply push downside and fill this imbalance, which one is here. And now market trying to go higher is here. This was our minor imbalance, which is already filled. And now we can see in the left side, in the downside, is here market taken out the previous candle slow, which act like a liquidity, taken out this liquidity, and now price trying to go higher. So what we can expect here? We can expect if price tap on this wick, which act like a demand zone, right? When price tap on it, then we can see short term move to the upside, and then we can see continue downside if market could give a strong momentum to the upside. So where is our at least target? Our target is will be here, because this is our first internal high after break this structure, which is act like a inducement, which one is here, right? So this one is our target if market give any good entry for the buy and looks any bullish momentum here, correct? So we can see in upcoming days, in upcoming week, possibly market go higher, taking out this high, right? And then we can see continue downside move, then market tap on this low, correct? So why we are expecting here? Because this is our inducement, and market must be taken out the inducement before the buy or sell. So in this case, market is still not taking out the inducement. Market just tap on this order flow, order block, and then looking for the downside move. Now we can see go higher and then push downside. Now let's switch into the 15-minute time frame, then we can see more. Okay, so in a 15-minute structure, as you can see, market taken out the all liquidity, which one is here. After taking out the all liquidity, market take the structure, which one is here. First high was here, and this can be used as a change of character. Why? Because market taken out the previous day low, which act like a demand zone, as we can see here. So right now, price are trying to go downside, and if price tap on the like our demand zone, then we can see some continue move upside. So in this case, what happening here? This is our low, which is must be taken out. If market taken out this low, then we can go higher, because below it we can see a clear order block, which one is here. So this is our extreme, and once market taken out this low, we can see some continuation move to the upside, something like this, then go higher. If market unable to hold this zone, right, and broke this low, which one is here, then we can see continue fall after taking out the inducement at this point. So this is our 15-minute structure and daily time frame structure in a Euro USD. And right now price creating liquidity, like here, we can see, correct. And before this liquidity, we can see above the trend line, which is here. So this one is our liquidity, which is must be taken out. Once market collect this liquidity, then we can see a downside move. This one is our unmitigated order block, which one is here. And once market go higher, broke this trend line, and then we can see short-term sell like this, then go higher. Okay, it's on this level, it's depend if market hold or not, right? So this is overall view in a 15-minute in a Euro USD. Now let's switch back into the GBP USD. In a GBP USD, it's the same picture. Market continue pushing downside. In this case, same thing happening here. Break off the structure, push downside, and now what we can expect? We can expect a short-term pullback to the upside, and I'm expecting if price go higher, at least taken out this high, then we can sell, right? So this is our short-term move for the like the upside. Here, this is our last selling candle before the buy is here, which is already tap here, correct. So we can see short-term move to the upside, then we can if market close above it, right, so we can expect our price continue go higher. If market just with the liquidity, then we can see strong move to the downside in a GBP USD as per the daily time frame structure. So right now price are trying to go higher and collecting the money, and this order block is here, correct, and this is our new order block, because this candle taken out the previous candle low, which is act like a liquidity sweep right here, here at this point, correct. So this candlestick taken out this low, right. So once market taken out the previous candle low or high and close above or below it, so this is an indication for the reversal and continuation. So market tap taken out this low and close of it, and now if market came back and mitigate this order block, this is a single candle order block and tap here, and then we can see some strong momentum to the upside, right. So this is a possible scenario in a GBP in a daily time frame structure. Now switch into 15-minute. In a 15-minute structure, we can see clearly market momentum is a change here, and this is our change of character as per the 15-minute structure. After this change of character is here, where is our possible area for the buyer? So first of all, you have to mark where is our unmitigated order flow. So in this case, if you mark the order flow, which one is here? Last selling move before the buy, which one is here? Correct. And the next is here. This one is a last, and this one, and this one. Everything is a mitigated. I'm sorry, this one. Correct. So everything is a mitigated here. And the last selling move before the drop is here, correct. So this one is unmitigated zone only left here. If market tap here, and then we can see some buying momentum to the upside, and this is our inducement is here. So once market actually inducement is here technically, correct, at this point. So once market taken out this inducement, tap on this zone, this is our order flow, then we can see continue move to the upside. And right now we can see mark has an equal low, right. So we can see what happening here. If market go higher, right, and taken out this high, then we can see short-term sell and then continue push higher. So this is a possible scenario in a GBP in a 15-minute structure and daily time frame structure. Now switch into another pair, which is a gold. Switch into the weekly and daily. So in a weekly time frame structure, market is currently a bearish and currently push higher and then mitigate this like a liquidity zone, everyone buying on this demand zone and people looking here for buy, and they create more liquidity, and after taking out the liquidity we can see short term move to the upside. So right now there is a no possible scenario in a weekly time frame because it take a lot of time to create a structure. So we can switch into daily time frame to see exactly, and we can see here, if you can see this markup I already posted in a Discord community and also in a free Telegram channel. When markets tap here, I already mentioned that tap here and we can sell into downside because momentum is a bearish completely, and we can sell into downside. Everyone looking here for buy because price tap on the demand zone and everyone buying here. But in reality, this is not your order block for the sell. Some people are looking here for sell, especially smart money traders, because break the structure. This is order flow, sorry, order block, also order flow. So when price type here and market give us slightly momentum to the downside and then go higher. So why this happening here? Because you are selling without the inducement. That's the main reason to fail your trade. So once market taken out this inducement, this is our high. After taking out the inducement, tap on the order block, we can sell, and our target is here. So right now momentum is a bearish and we can continue push our downside. We can see push our downside in a gold in upcoming days, correct? So this is our possible scenario, very possible scenario in a bit gold. And we can see market momentum is a completely bearish. And if I switch into 15-minute structure, in a 15-minute structure, same thing happening here. Market momentum is also bearish, correct? So if I mark the structure is here, right now here structure at this point, lower high, and this one is our new break of structure. After break the structure, this one become our new low. No, this one, correct? So when we can buy or sell in this situation, if market go higher and taken out this high, this is our first high, which is a actual major high, and this is a minor high. These are all minor structure. If market go higher and taken out this high, correct, and tap on this order block, which one is here, then we can sell here, correct? Okay, we can sell here, change of character, and tap on the like your flip entry and change of character based entry. There are different type of entry module is here. So we can sell after taking out this high, which is act like the liquidity, like a inducement, you can say. So we can sell our bid generally, and you have to wait for it to price taken out this high. If market create anything is here, possibly like go higher and then push downside. So this high act like inducement, go higher and then we can sell. So this is a possible scenario in a gold in a 15-minute structure. If I zoom this part, then we can see more clearly. And taking out this inducement, after taking out the inducement, where is our like this one is here, correct? So this order block is not much important compared to this inducement. If market taken out this inducement, tap not tap on the order block, we can definitely sell, because main thing is your order block and liquidity, and your order block and order flow is a just additional confirmation. When price tap on the your POI zone, which is a like a double confirmation for the buy and sell, correct? So right now you have to wait for it, and this is a very small correction move. So overall, this is a scenario in a gold, and if we can see momentum as a bearish in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame also. Now switch into another pair, which is a Bitcoin. First of all, start from the daily time frame. In a daily time frame structure, momentum shifting continue pushing downside. As I mentioned in every webinar, market momentum is a bearish and market continue looking for the sell. There is no possible entry for the buy. If I switch into weekly time frame, then we can see more clearly here. Market tap on this order block and tap this order block, price must be taken out this low, which is here, almost $17,632. So once market taken up, break this low and market create new low. So if you can see here in the weekly candlestick right here, sorry, you can see here previous candle taken out the high, correct? So when market taken out the previous candle high, which is act like a liquidity point. So right now, let me clean this one. Okay. So last week, price taken out this topic, as I mentioned, this area act like a supply, tap on it, and we can switch it to lower time frame, then we can sell. Correct. So we can sell until this low. And if I switch into lower time frame, like 4-hour and daily time frame, then we can see what happening here. In a 4-hour picture, same thing happening here. This was a weekly, sweep this high and push downside, and the recent low was here. Correct. And now market is trying to go higher, but right now momentum trying to push higher to mitigate this. I think this one. Correct. And we can continue a sell. Still momentum is a bearish. There is a no change here. And the next possible zone is here for the sell, this one. Correct. So once market tap here and we can sell. Okay. So once market tap on this zone here, and this is a 4-hour order block, and you have to switch into 15-minute chalk and then sell. Correct. Until this low. This is our actual low, which I mark here. So this is a possible entry in a Bitcoin. And right now, momentum is not clear for the buy or sell. Still, we can see in a ranging. So you have to prepare on both sides. If market give any opportunity for the buy or sell, you have to ready on both sides. Okay. So let's switch into another pair, which is a Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is our Bank Nifty chart. If I switch into 1-day time frame, so in a 1-day time frame, we can see this was our previous all-time high, which is taken out by this move is here. So once market taken out the measure high or low and sweep the high or low, which is act like a reversal and sometimes give a strong momentum to the downside and sometimes give you a short-term pullback. So when market taken out this high, and I already mentioned that market already looking for the sell, and right now momentum is a bearish. Sorry, right now momentum looking for the continuation to the upside, and very highly chances market tap on this order flow, which one is here, and market once market tap on this order flow, okay, and then we can sell here, which is here. Correct. So this is our target if you are looking here for buy. And I already posted here on a Discord community this taken out the low, which is here. After taking out the previous candle low, which is act like a liquidity sweep and push higher, and we can continue buy. So one market taken out the previous candle high, we already sell here. Okay. And then again, what happened here? Market taking out this candle low is here. And now we can continue buy here. And again, this is our area for the buy. And if market tap on it, then we can continue for buy for the next move like this. Correct. And then go higher and give any change of character is here, break the structure is here, and then we can sell. Okay, so this is a possible entry for the Bank Nifty in a daily time frame structure. So you have to prepare into lower time frame to see exactly what happening, then we can buy. And right now this is a daily time frame, and daily time frame is a possible for the short-term buy and then possible to the downside move. Once market mitigate this order flow, we are interested for the sell. If I switch into lower time frame structure in a 5-minute structure, 5 minute is a very good time frame for the asset day trader. So in a 5-minute structure, market momentum is extremely bullish. So in this case, we can see this high broken by this move, correct? And if market taken out this low, which is here, after taking out this low, we can buy here. If market tap on this order flow, which one is here? So this will be a very great market tap here, and then we can continue buy for the upside. If market did not tap here and just sweep this low, taken out this low, sweep this low and give any change of character, then we can definitely buy here, correct, on this point. And this low act like an inducement, we can again buy, take off structure and then again buy. So this is a possible entry in a bank nifty possible scenario, and let's see what happened here. So if you have to prepare on both sides, like buy or sell. So right now this is our possible entry. Let's see where is market open here, then we can definitely take entry for the buy and sell. So sell entry will be here if market break this trend line, which one is here, and this is a trend line liquidity. So after taking out this high, right, at least take it out this high, then market go higher and then give any change of return, then we can sell for the short term till this order flow, correct? So this is our possible sell entries is here and here. So this is a possible entry in a nifty, sorry, bank nifty in a 5-minute and daily time frame. Now let's switch into another pair. Okay, and NAS 100 is the most requested pair. So let's switch into daily time frame structure in a NAS 100. So in a NAS 100, momentum is bearish, continue pushing downside. And right now we can see market taken out the previous candle high, which is here. So once market taken out the previous candle high, very highly chances market will be open into downside and possibly we can sell. And this is a very strong confirmation for the sell. And you have to wait for it to open the candle, and then we can switch into lower time frame, then we can sell, because this candle taken out the previous candle high, and now we can expect a downside move is here, right? So let's see what happened here, and this is our break of structure was here already, okay? And if I switch into 15-minute structure, then we can see more clearly, okay? So this is our previous day high taken out, okay? Yeah, correct. So this is our previous high, which is already taken out. And after taking out this high, we are looking here for sell. And once market tap on this order flow, which one is here, then market will give you short-term move to the upside, definitely to push higher. And after taking out this high, correct, and then we can sell. Okay, if market taken out this high and this become our very highly like high probability entry for the sell. Why? Because this one is our last buying move before the sell is here, and this one act like a order flow. Once market mitigate this order flow, then very highly chances market give you strong momentum to the downside, because in a daily time frame structure is already taken out the previous candles high, right? So let's see if market tap here. So this will give you a short-term move to the upside, then we can sell. And also this is our possible trend line liquidity is here, correct? So this can be a possible entry for the sell and buy into NAS 100. Now let's switch into the quick question answer. Then I will finish this session. Okay. Ask one by one. Could you talk more about liquidity? I already make a separate video about liquidity. You can watch on my YouTube channel. How to trade gap down, and there is no way to trade gap and down. You don't need to focus on where is gap up and down. You have to simply focus on your structure and follow your entry criteria. You don't need to focus on anything. That market is a open gap up and down, doesn't matter. If I switch into again bank nifty, then I will show you exactly. Look at this price action is here. We can see market completely pushed downside. If I switch into 5 minute, then we can see more clearly is here. Right. Market open here in a gap down, but market go higher. Why market go higher? Okay. After open the market in a gap down, then most of the traders looking here for the sell. Why? Because market momentum open in a bear side. So look, people are looking here for sell. Why? Because market is a bearish. No, market manipulate you to open and in a gap down and gap up. So what happened here? Market go higher and manipulate this previous high, and then market push downside. And this is exact a trade which is I already posted on Telegram, that market taken out this high, and after taken out this high, I posted was here when price was almost here, break off structure. Sorry. And as I mentioned, that if market taken out this high, we can sell. And a lot of people catch this trade. So definitely this was a very sharp move into downside. Why? Because this was taken out the liquidity, actual liquidity taken by this high. Okay. You have to focus on structure and liquidity. You don't need to focus on where is market open gap up and down. If you want like the simple clean structure, you can simply follow this indicator, which is here, no gaps candle. Okay. So this indicator will help you a lot. If I remove this, then we can see chart looks like this. Okay. If I apply this indicator is here, then this indicator fill the gap between the candlestick, right? So this is a free indicator available on TradingView. No gaps candlestick, no gaps candles. Okay. BTC, please. I already make a BTC. You can watch later. I already done. Okay, so no more analysis, please, and we can do some quick question answer, and after that I will finish this one. Why market fall from the point? Which point? What is a quality trade? Quality trade means which structure taken out the liquidity, previous high, can be previous high or low, can be your sessions high or low, and can be your previous day candlestick high or low. When market taken out the liquidity, then you are looking for buy setup or sell setup, then very highly chances your trade will be on your direction. Okay, if you are looking for buy or sell without liquidity, which is very high chances your trade on any or loss. Sometimes I find a difference between my trading view chart and metadata for Amazon that so if the trading view, but my data. What should I do? You can follow your as per your empty trader 4. How to identify lower time frame entry? There are different way to identify the lower time frame entry after change of character. Okay, after the flip entry, and there are different way. How to identify failure chalk on 1 minute? When market tap on PUI zone, okay, and then you have to switch into 1 minute structure, and the first high or low act like a change of character. Break the change of character, okay, then you can definitely buy or sell into lower time frame confirmation. BTC quick view. I already talk about the Bitcoin. You can watch later. Okay, there are a lot of questions. Please ask one by one. Okay, when YouTube videos uploaded, I will upload shortly as soon as possible. Maybe it's take 1 or 2 days. Maybe on Monday. Which time frame we should use to mark the bank Nifty structure? You have to it's depend on your trading style. Like you are day trader, then I will suggest you 5 minutes is a higher time frame and 1 minute for the entry. But you can see daily time frame structure to see its previous candles high or low, not a major structure. What is the fundamental rules in a forex trading? I don't use fundamental any kind of things, so I don't know exactly. Market does not tap on a POI, only sweep the inducement, then we can mark the first high or lower time frame job. Exactly. When markets are taken out the previous, I mean taken out the inducement or not tap on your POI, and then you can take entry for the buy or sell after change of character. And what do you mean by inducement? Inducement means after break the structure, first internal high or low, you can say first pullback is a inducement. Market structure mark करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है market. What you should. I already make a video about marking the structure on Hindi and English also. You can watch them. So definitely will help you a lot to marking the structure. You can watch on logic trading in a Hindi. I also uploaded on English version also on Trading Hub. Okay, everyone. So I think we should finish this session. And if you have any like important question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'm going to finish this one. Flip zone. Flip zones means when demand convert into supply. That's called flip. Simple. What is difference? Mitigation, liquidity, and there are different things. Mitigation means when any order block mitigate by next candle means a pullback. You can say imbalance is a like you can understand like this gap between both candlestick, that's called imbalance. Like this candle low and this candle high is here, this is imbalance. Range market में कैसे ट्रेड करें? Always avoid ranging market. I will suggest you. So one question, if no inducement, still market fall from order block UI. Without inducement, market very low chances. Okay, there are very low chances. Without inducement, market can be pushed higher or lower. Okay, without inducement, market can't be go higher or lower. You have to remember. And that's the main reason people are looking for buy or sell aggressively without inducement in a FOMO. Inducement, all about inducement. I already make a two parts, part one and part two. You can watch them, which is very, very helpful and powerful to you. Understand about inducement in a depth. Okay, guys. So I have to finish this stream. Okay, so if someone missed this stream from starting to end, you can watch later. I will upload on YouTube as soon as possible. And thank you so much, everyone. And have a nice day and have a nice, great weekend. I will upload right now. It's take a few minutes. Thank you, everyone.